If the law of attraction has not been working for you, in today's video, we are going to talk about the top mistakes that we make as empaths and why it's important to level up ASAP. So if you're excited to dive in, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you are a spiritual, sensitive woman in midlife, struggling with self-sabotage and fear, I would love to find out if I can help support you by hopping on a quick call. So click the link below to schedule a free consultation with me to see if working together is a good fit. Let's dive right in. The first mistake that we make as empaths when it comes to the law of attraction is not aligning our energy with what it is that we are calling in. We may think we are aligned with what we are calling in, but in all reality, the energy that we're transmitting is out of alignment. And if we don't know it, and if we don't believe it's true for us, it's gonna stay out of our manifestation field. The second mistake we make as empaths when it comes to the law of attraction is not believing that we're worthy of whatever it is we're calling in. Subconscious trauma and unworthiness beliefs can be huge obstacles for us when it comes to the law of attraction. The third mistake that empaths make when it comes to the law of attraction is self-sabotage. We tend to get really close to what it is we're calling in, and then right before the miracle is going to happen, in some way, shape, or form, we sabotage ourselves. The fourth mistake we make as empaths when it comes to the law of attraction is not trusting ourselves, not trusting our intuition, and not trusting our connection with the other side. The fifth mistake we make as empaths when it comes to the law of attraction is blame, shame, and victim mentality. The first way to correct our number one mistake when it comes to the law of attraction is to align our energy. Yesterday in my signature program support call, one of my clients said that when she does this,
it's like magic.
So I thought it would be really cool to share this with you as well. The second way to overcome our mistakes when it comes to the law of attraction is to know and feel our inherent worthiness. The third way to overcome our self-imposed obstacles when it comes to the law of attraction is to trust ourselves, trust our intuition, and trust our connection with the other side. The fourth way to overcome our obstacles when it comes to the law of attraction is to play on our own team, to be our biggest cheerleader, to celebrate our wins, big and small, to stop the internal battle with our inner critic. If you are wanting further support with overcoming these obstacles so that you can use your empath abilities to be of service in the world in a way that feels fulfilling, rewarding, balanced, aligned, and light, I would love to have a free chat with you. Click the link below to book a call with me. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give a like, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Namaste.